say, any ye to say, any ye to say. Yeah, uni bibi. Ekufuado amembu na obun won. Se uyo obi a watena ebrochire kakra. Ana uyo obi a wetu kwan kakra. Na ope oh my Ghana yeah. I tell you say you would always love Ekufuado because near maybe a canetete no na agise wutu kwan ansa na wenya. Ekufuado lifted the image of Ghana to the point where now they are those ones that are coming in. Na muni bibi e wawa. Mede Dubai trip yasa maybe see or no. We make our government go outside. If you welcome. So that we can be able to do what? So that we can be able to network and partner with other nations. Ekufuado ko Dubai no no yes Queens no de omukọ ho ne omukọ de da yo there bi. Ati ase. Ekufuado enye slay Queens bi. And okofa yes wo de omukọ Dubai. Oko lifted the image of Ghana high for everybody to see how far Ghana is going. Because say you invite Mahama Uncle Buckingham Palace. You invite Mahama Uncle Angela Merkel kitchen table so. You invite Mahama Uncle White House. I'm an any Secretary of State when couldn't come up. Mo dear mo pa mo hwe or call you and how many times? Your papa Mahama or representing you with you and how many times? I bet no one's on the world leader begin our cry joint either. But Ekufuado any program bia you invite man akubiano Ekufuado goes, and if he's not the main speaker, he is part of the lead speakers on that kind of portfolio. Seriously, we know yeah person to person comparison. Yes, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was a president and is a president. Well, as a matter of fact, once a president, always a president. Fine, we understand. But na personal, yante da. Say, Queen Elizabeth cross woman mukoko. Queen Elizabeth cross woman mukoko da. Yete Mr. Mahama and Kawa International World no. Now wakwaji stone boy no page ya. On assessment, we will show our mobile. Sa akwadi ya no concert ya yakwaje no ebruchiri UK ho sanke de omo ba paper san newspaper ne ade na nka Ghana fo ba no ho na Mr. Mahama akwaje ene wo bo ho ho ena Mr. Mahama bo ho so ye de ya yeso akwaje 5 million bribe oni bi o ma ye hu say Mahama ma tena medu mo kai de no obeka ejapa case no no se mu NDC for mo nkama no ntum Monkama nuntu na government official wa na Mahama ye onu anekwaji iska no mohu Mahama di ejatem matinamidu atem saada ni na ma asami de mfi beka say matinamidu onye credible, but one thing you can't take from him is he is credible. In the same statement he is not credible, but at the same time he is credible. Saade no u twatra tokru na ho a eto atase stupid boy we da so na Ghana na Ghana force so no so sameje mfi hey Ghana mo ho enwanwa Ghana me se mo ho enwanwa Ghana mo ho enwanwa me se ye papa Mahama oko UN assembly e come speech mo fa the video a your friend say we dey a big economic forum omra me ye dey a ye man the chance say woni Africa for leaders kura nko kasa wokoyira the speech because what be na no we be ya two flight no say ya dey free what dey no dey akokasa na no. Oh, Mr. President, here's your speech you like to go through. Oh, yes, thank you. Oh, President, you come na konya kisiwo. Yenti ye free brain no munkono. Na speech yank won koma emfa nko peje Ghana ti wakoya asagrem. Ani yase na yere nko redeem yen. Sa bombu. Na yere nko redeem yen ya bombo. Ma melody na happy belated birthday And also happy International Women's holiday to you. Why? The okunu koye ya ukunu speech koye rae. Bosu ko ready kakrama ya your excellences. E wana mesi ye di. Hey, party penny. Party papa our day. No contribution, no chop party. Only that day party. Abache. Yam pene. Yebeye ye hufi. Yebe shetai. Yebe to tie wo wurem Jimmy yan ko school. Yebe to galamsey yebe bon koto. Ya lia no ewe ye trim in kuku boots. Jimmy the Jimmy mum. Yede ane se yede mule yan ngum. Ya wuche ya Jimmy na rasta mind laughter. Yede Jimmy na typically. Oya ye denya Jimmy no ye mu. O president yentumi ankono mti po. Anko onko yi Rwanda he ya po. Na anko ne po Kigami ankono mti. And the crap here who do a Canada under you people 8 years. At a minute, the mamma, which I say, one fight to poor manupo because I know the most one idea why ready to be this car. Because mother, why you may see Canada, or say, wait a minute, or woman, they were bam and a one sham away and no, will bet to yen them, one yan at them, or your man sika, aid the men sign. Aid the men sign. Now, at 2 force, na yen a new crew. Ankola nketenkete amu apampamu apapa adwen papa eni mutrim ntimo apampamu ni na apa Brago fifa chemi o why mo fa chemi apampamu fo agufu ado no mo fa chemi ne na sem nsem ni bi ahi NDC fo man nsem ni bi eya na ahi so what you say wo president ba ye ye hu da what you say anka sabe Uncle Liberia po enkome speech for Liberia independent upon we apo amfre no po se brabe guest of honor da muti bi da bay na be se they are your man opportunity Mr. Mahama. Yes, they are your man opportunity say papa ene de brana beye bra your man opportunity say papa ene de brana be ma ye speech and okotwitwa akonyak honorable Wilson I'm adding you and okotwitwa akonyak because that time no so na Vicky Hama no oba bi no so obedi 1 million onya 1 million na no eja politics no wo mu ni na titi play no mu to hweto na hweto no twitwa akonyak ne sa because anko obi a ye this speech abrew your excellency this is your speech sa wo mboro ya enya bi na wutwitwa wutumi ko gina say where's my speech afi no no mu obu akufu adoko kan speech obi ahu de esi ye wonno papa no kura akwa kan speech na ebu aka ne sim no ene yesoma sebe boyo ene yesoma na yere say anko wonko ye den wonko redeem Ghana ukunu